say no? Because the debater has the answer.
In COVID time, what you do in home using technology only, no? Without mobile, you can learn school days. Technology provides students with easy to access information and their learning and fun opportunities to practice what they learn. Is technology really helpful in education? Yes. Good. When we use technology as a great powerful weapon for good things only, our success will be in our and always. Have you heard the story of Swan? Anyone know me? Tell. If milk is mixed with water, also it sucks only milk and leaves the water. Remains, it drinks only milk. Likewise, technology will be have lot of good things, such bad things. We have to attract only good things like swan bird. Swan is a bird. We know when we touch fire and we get hurt, we are using it. We cannot avoid the fire. Likewise, we cannot avoid the technology usage. We started living with technology. We should learn how to use technology properly. I would like to conclude my speech with a strong quote that does not. Technology is the key to open all the learning process. Thank you to all.
Our sister Agalya gave her wonderful speech, wonderful debate on usage of technology. Technology is the main thing. We cannot live without technology nowadays. Can you imagine without technology? We can't do anything. Everything around us are technology. Let us call our 9th student Madhanika to debate on education.
Our opponent team Agalya said technology has lot of good things, but education also had a lot of good things. And she said this. We started living with technology. No, we started living with education. Education is the opposite to curiosity, no diminish understood. Education is the important for personal development as well as the socio-economic of our country. Education is acquiring new skills and techniques. Education is necessary to rise here. Education is necessary to rise here. Educated people will not have fear. They approach everything and it's courageous. And without education, can you become a doctor, teacher, etc.? No. Without education, life can become a difficult and it's to survive. From education, birthplace of technology. From education, only all the technical skills and improving day by day. Without technology, we had a lot of words. We had a lot of words in that. Some of the examples: Tanjavur Shivan Temple. It is the wonder and its grandeur. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhanika. I would like to call Purvika She has told some of the very valuable points about technology. I would like to call Kanishka from 98 to give a speech on education.
Good morning to all. I'm Kanishka from 98. I'm talk about education. Education can empower individuals in various ways. Education helps in eradicating poverty as it makes an individual capable of getting a job. All the basic needs and requirements of the family can be fulfilled by education. Technology is not education. If technology not give education, if education is not in the world, technology will be not in the world. Education highlights the human talents. Without education, do they know to use technology? We can consider education as a mountain. We can use the technology
I would like to give justification for this debate. Our principal, our honorable principal.
Okay, it is thrilling, One can suck, one can expose. We may not expect everybody to do some great. Some of the little nervous, next a little better. And these students have done remarkable work. What is done is you are growing. Today's department is a very important debate we did. Education and technology. It's like bread and butter. Now in English, there is a sandwich. What is sandwich? Sam prepared some vegetarian and food is called sandwich. It's called sandwich, but actually it's the bread and something. So the communication of expressing the view, what your skills you have is showing up. And come to the point, and debate point, education. Education is our mind. Technology is our mouth. Wise and wisdom. We have a brain, wisely thinking, wisdomly working, that's education. Now people used to say it's a good friend. Book and board is a good friend for education. Similarly, education technology is the good friend for life living, for everybody. They have given COVID time. How did we learn? How did we learn? Using the technology. And most of the people used to say computer is the technology. Is it right or no? Computer is the technology. Is it right one or not? Yes, computer is the technology. Sitting one place, you can go around the world. That's called education, technology. Since you are educated, your brain is to prepare a computer. Through the computer, you come to know across the world. That's technology. So education and technology both are equally important in each and every life in our 21st century. Some of our education point, they made a great point. Where education standing point, where technology is the moving point. Is the asset, it is the movable asset. They also questioned you, without technology is it possible to live? Yeah, partially possible can. But present world, they made it compulsory. But base is education. The base is education. When you are educated, you can apply your mind and knowledge skills to prepare for technology. Without technology can live, but only thing it takes time to go around. Because ancient time, without technology, people lived and proved. But technology grown because our education is developing. So we may not live technology alone. Technology also come under education nowadays. Why to make education and technology? Now it become educational technology. So we to make you aware what is technology, what is education. I hope today all of you understood from this debate. Do you have any questions? Do you all have any question? How it is same under education and technology? I am education. The mic is technology. I am education. This mic is technology. Simple. I am education. The stand is technology. Made you to sit comfortably and to stand in front of the speak. The mind works, the technology developed. Ancient time you hold the mic and speak. And present world, you can place your hands on the mic and speak. You are getting education in the school now, right? If you go home, you can parents can say what you did in the school today. That is called technology. Education. The technology fully support education, it reaches the people and reaches the world. If any good example, both are same, no? The people who say lot of Tamil. The soul and body is same, like mind and mouth. Soul and body. So present world, the education as well as technology equally important. You cannot separate it out. It's always bridge between education and technology. But important is education. If you are good in education, tech will also be good in the future. Without education, tech is not possible. But without technology, education is possible. So where you have to concentrate? Education. The priority for education. Use that education to the next level of learning. You can use the technology. So both are important. So hereafter, you have to import education is the 90% and 10% for technology. You can use the 100% of education. What you learn in the classroom is the education. What you do in the computer lab is the technology. So educational technology is very important for us. Thanks for English department making the wonderful and useful and sagacious debate today. Now over to student, any questions?
Thank you, sir. We need technology in every classroom and in every student and teacher's hand, because it is a pen and paper of our time, and it is the lens through which we can enjoy our world. So we need education. Through that education we learn technology. We have to use technology in a proper manner. Thank you for our principal sir to give the idea for debating. Thank you, sir.